Alright guys, in the last video I was accused of talking too much, and I agree. I ended up talking a little too much because I only had so much time that day, and I wanted to get the project done, and I had a few minutes between the projects to talk about it, and so I didn't end up filming the actual work. But in this video my goal is to film the actual work and show you how I build trails with a mini excavator. Without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, we're back day 2 filming this. So I started early this morning and I got a bunch of headway. So let's see, I made it from about about right here all the way up until around the corner. That's where it gets to the top. So one of the important things about trail building is not just going from point A to point B. Sometimes that is the right thing to do, but other times, in this case, we have only a few acres to work with and we want to really get the most out of the terrain. So what we do is we weave the trail, and as you can see behind me, the trail is not going straight down the slope. It has curves and turns. Part of it is the water drainage, but along with the water drainage, you also get some really fun trail. I have a history in mountain biking, and so I've learned to lay out trails in a manner that is really fun for mountain biking. Like for instance, from up there, you can come down, whip around all this, flow nicely through all of those curves. What is supposed to happen, and I'm kind of lazy so I don't always do this, but it really is a final touch and it's pretty important. Like I said, I'm just lazy, but I come back with a rake, and well, actually the roots I always cut because that's essential, but edging the trail, like you know, I cut it with the rake and edge it so you can really see where the tread of the trail is and where you don't want to walk or ride. what we have here is a grade reversal, where so you have the slope coming up or down, and it's really hard to tell, but if you get the right angle, maybe you can tell it actually goes up a little bit, and just enough that it'll push the water off when it hits this. I'll show you how frequently we put these. So I put one behind me there, and then another one right about here. The water should go off right there, and then about, well, up here we have another one. As you can see, looking back, that there's the little humps